Hi, this is Chris Edge with DoubleEdgeHomes.com, and I am here today with Debbie and Stacy from D&S Insurance here in South Jordan. We want to take a minute, introduce you to these guys, and talk about a little bit about their business and what they do. So, you guys have been in business for how long now?
We have been in business since January of 2013.
2013, pushing
Yes.
7 years.
7 years, yep. We used to work for Allstate Insurance, and now we are independent insurance agents here in South Jordan and doing our own thing.
So what makes you guys different than a regular insurance company? I mean, is there anything you do differently?
Yes, we shop the rates for you every renewal. We always rerun rates regardless, and then give you a call and do follow-up calls every renewals.
How often should you check rates?
Every renewal, either every 6 months or 1 year.
And you do that for everybody automatically?
Yes.
Yes.
How often does that change for people?
Rates meaning change or just...
Right. Well, when they call up and say, I'm getting ready to renew, how often do they go down or up? I mean, what causes all of that?
It totally just depends on the market at that time with the carriers. The insurance rates are always based on the state of Utah by the insurance commissioner and the carriers. So every renewal, that's why we always strive to do renewal calls every 6 months or every year, because rates do fluctuate. Sometimes they stay the same, sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. But that's one thing that we pride in our agency, is to always make sure that we have contact with our clients and to make sure that they're always getting the best rate that our agency can offer.
So you do auto, home?
Commercial. We do everything but life and health insurance.
Okay.
So we do motorcycles, RVs, what else?
Side-by-sides.
Renters insurance, condos, you name it.
You do all insurance except for
Life and health.
And then we
health.
do hire a guy that helps us with life and health. So if you need anything, we can always hook you up.
Great. That's good to know. Yeah, you both live in the area, right?
Yes.
We do, yes.
How long have you guys lived in this area?
I've been here 30 years.
30, really?
Yeah,
You've seen a lot of growth out here.
a lot. When I moved out here, there was nothing.
Wow, that's a long time. Because I know in just the past few years it's changed quite a bit.
Yes.
I noticed on your Facebook page that you guys do a lot of also community events.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Debbie's family actually runs a local fireworks stand every 4th of July and every 24th of July here in South Jordan. They've been doing it for, how long now has it been? 7-8 years?
Yep.
And so we put flyers out into every person's bag that comes in and buys fireworks. We have our banner that stays up and gets the word out and stuff, and it actually has helped. We've generated business and stuff, and just our main thing is always just getting our name out there to everybody. We pass out like frisbees this year. We passed out frisbees to the kids and had D&S on it, and we just got done doing a cancer drive.
Yes.
And collected cans of Play-Doh, and what else was it? Bubbles. Play-Dohs and bubbles for Izzy, right? Izzy's cancer.
Yep, Izzy.
So
That's great.
And last year we did a golf tournament.
for a lady up in Vernal who had cancer and unfortunately has since passed away. But we did a golf drive for them, and we've done like some bowling drives and stuff in the past too. So we just do whatever we can to get word of mouth out there about our agency. We don't do any big advertising. We're just strictly word of mouth, and our business has grown because of referrals from our clients. So
That is the best way to do it.
yes.
One thing that I wanted to bring up in my industry, in the real estate industry, there are a lot of factors that affect a person's ability to buy a house, and I know a lot of those same factors you guys have to deal with.
Correct.
Do you have any recommendations for people on how to maintain that lowest rate, and to get it and to keep it?
Keep your driving record good and your credit.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
speed.
Yeah, don't speed. No accidents. The industry's definitely changed in regards to that over the last couple of years. They used to only look at a 3-year time frame, but now the industry is now starting to look at a 5-year time frame. So incidents will fall off, but they look at more being claim-free, incident-free in a 5-year period instead of in the past where it used to be 3 years. So that credit is definitely a big factor. The area you live in is a big factor based on your zip code. And how long you've been with a company, different factors like that and stuff. So yeah, main thing is just try to keep a clean record.
So if you're gonna speed, don't get caught, is what I
Yeah,
hear
don't
you
get
say.
caught or have no people in high places that you can get out of the ticket. So.
And from my perspective, these guys do my insurance, and I think what's been a couple of years, 3 years now, that I've been using them now, and I'm really super busy. I don't have time to do all of the work involved to make sure that I'm getting the best rate for me. And that's why I like these guys. You know, they will go out, they will check everything. They make sure I get the very best rate that I possibly can, and you know, sometimes we end up switching companies, which is fine by me, but they just take care of everything. So the service from these two is impeccable, and that's what I want everybody out there to know. Other than that, is there anything else you guys want to add to our listeners out there, viewers?
Well, I know even like yesterday, I think Debbie actually had a client that she called on a renewal, and they were like, wow, nobody's ever done that before. And we hear that a lot. Like, our goal between us two as being business owners, we're the only employees of our agency, so you always will talk to Debbie or myself, and we feel that it's personable, and that our clients are like our family. You know, we're always there for them, and they're always there for us. And every person, you're not just a file on our shelf, you're a physical person, and we know everybody has needs, and people's financial responsibilities change, and so we're always watching out for making sure you have the best coverage for the best rate that we can get you. So. Well,
that's great. I'm sorry, you get something?
And we never go home without our clients being called back on the same day.
Ever. Write that one down. 2 more quick questions, because this is always fun. You both have lived out here. What do you guys like about this area? And then the other question, have you got any strange stories? What's the strangest thing that you've ever had a customer ask you to do? One of your... Everybody's got funny stories.
Probably when they have a wreck and haven't had insurance and has called us and asked us to put coverage on their car so that we could cover their accident.
With the cop being right there, too.
Yeah.
The cop being right there going, hey, can you insure me right now? Why? Because I just had an accident. Well, it ain't going to cover you right now, so.
Yeah.
We get all kinds.
Oh, boy. Okay. So, again, don't get caught if you're going to do that.
Yeah.
But anyway, I just want everybody to know, if you're looking for insurance, if you're even questioning it, if you want to just check what your current rates are, give these guys a call. What is the best way to get a hold of you?
Email, phone. We're here. I know we still have a landline. I know that's very unusual for people, but yes, we still have a landline. So you can call us. We're here. Our hours are Monday through Thursday from 9:30 until 5. Fridays from 9:30 to 4, but sometimes we're here till 8, 9 o'clock at night. So it's a never-ending process, and we're always trying to be accessible to our clients. But yeah, email, give us a call, come on by the office. We love to see people too in person.
So this is it for D&S Insurance in South Jordan. That's Debbie. That's Stacy. I get them mixed up. You will on the phone. But if you need insurance, give these guys a call. Tell them you found them on the Park Bench website. Tell them Chris at doubleedgehomes.com sent you down, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.
See, now that wasn't too tough,
No.
was it?
No.
Hey, Brett. I knew